What's up guys? Today we're in the boat. We're doing some early spring crappie fishing. They're spawning and we're gonna catch them. Yep, hooked up. Doesn't feel very big. Looks like crappie. Decent little crappie to start off. Oh, there's one. Yeah, if you get up in there, it's almost a guaranteed fish. You gotta get just so close to the in between the trees. A good gill. Using this Widowmaker bugger jig. It's got that nice gill. Just fishing this wood right here. They're so tight to the wood. Hard to get close enough without getting snagged. Got him. Ooh, this feels like a good one. Ooh, if this is a crappie, this is big. It's gotta be a bass or something. Yeah, maybe get the net ready. Oh yeah, it's a giant, it's a giant. Get the net, get the net, get the net, yeah. Get the net. Oh my gosh, it's huge. Scoop it. Oh yeah. Look at this crappie, guys. Beautiful fish. Look at that crappie. Beautiful. That's a pretty decent cast. He might go in there. Yep. There it is. Skylar's got one. Feel like a good one? Yeah. Ooh, it's pulling drag. It's a sunfish. Yeah. Nice bluegill. Just pull it up in the boat. Ooh, that is a tank gill. Look at this big gill. That is a beautiful fish. It's got this nice crappie under this tree. On that Widowmaker tungsten bug jig. Nice little crappie. Come back. Here we go, we're hooked up. Oh yeah, beautiful bluegill. Look at the colors on that one. That's a pretty one. Right on that tree. Water temp is 61 degrees. There he is. Oh, I had one. Dang. Oh. There he is. Got him. Got him. I think this one's a crappie. Oh yeah. Nice crappie. In the tree. Oh, this is big. Gotta get the net. I don't know what it is. It might be a smallie or something. I don't think it's a crappie. Oh, it is a crappie. Huh? It is a crappie. Oh, it's a nice one. Net? Yeah. Oh, wow. That's a nice crappie. Get the other camera. Here's another beautiful black spawning crappie. Let's get a release on him. There it goes. Well, guys, that's it for today. Had a pretty good day catching these fish. Might be out here tomorrow. If not, thanks for watching the video. Let's try to eat the bobber. It's crappie. Fishing some crappies. Very windy, but we're getting some. We're at it. Or a giant crappie. Oh my gosh. Just stop. Go slow. Go slow. Go slow. Go slow. Get it away from the shark water. Oh my gosh. That thing is huge. Oh my gosh. Look at this crappie, guys. Oh my gosh. It's probably 14. Oh, it's almost 15. That's 50.
Dude, can it be on
It's a 15-inch crappie. Ooh. Ooh, this is a good one. Maybe just get it ready in case. I think it's just like a 12, but nice fighting fish. Oh, that is a dandy. Probably 12, 12 and a half. There's a stud. Show that one up to the camera. Should probably net it. Just fling it in. Yeah. Yesterday was the most glass calm day I ever fished in my life, I think. Yeah, hang on. Skylar with a nice crappie. Oh no, this is a bass. The second I saw speckles, I was like, Skylar, this is no joke. I just ran as fast as I could to get them there. Oh, probably, maybe. It's a stud. Oh, it's probably only 12 and a half, but a stud muffin. $13. $13. Another big one. Good one.